Welcome to Uptime.com. In this video, we will cover the page speed checks features and reports. Uptime.com offers both a page speed free tool and a page speed check for subscribers. Page speed is an in-depth analysis of a page's performance, which can identify problem areas in loading time and interactivity. Optimizing your page load speed is important for a few reasons. It allows users to see and use your content faster across a variety of devices and connections, improves your site's ranking in search engines, and provides a greater user experience for your end users. If you want customers to find you and easily browse your site, the metrics and suggestions offered by PageSpeed are a great starting point. Both versions utilize Google Lighthouse, a powerful industry-standard suite of automated page performance tests. The results of these tests can help pinpoint problems related to site loading time and performance and offer suggestions to correct them. From the Uptime.com homepage, you may run the page speed test by first navigating to Solutions, Tools, and then Page Speed Test. Here, enter your URL and click Test Your Site to start the test, or if needed, alter the three advanced settings: location, device, and throttling. If you are running this check from your Uptime.com account, you'll see some additional functions, which are Navigate and Analyze URL, Take Snapshot, Start and End Time Span, and Start and End Navigation. These options allow you to set parameters for how the tool works, such as specifying a time window for recording the page's actions or defining navigation steps. Let's get into the report. The Page Speed Report is a comprehensive analysis and has many sections. We'll walk through the basics of each one now. The navigation report is displayed at the top of the screen, and it includes the basics of the most recent results of the page speed check. Uptime Grade is an evaluation of your page performance, encompassing both its loading speed for users and its performance optimization. Core Web Vitals are a concise set of essential metrics that serve as key indicators of the speed and overall user experience your website provides to visitors. Moving down, we have the main body of the report. The speed visualization provides you with screenshots of your page at various load events, giving you a deeper look into what appears on your page at every step in the process. Top Issues scores certain aspects of your website and grades them while providing you with suggestions for what can be improved. The performance section is all about how your page loads. This includes data on how quickly specific content on your page loads and which aspects took the longest to become fully interactive to the user. Structure gives you a look into exactly what audits were performed on your web page and how they measure up by providing them with a grade and showing exactly what aspects were audited. The Waterfall displays a breakdown of the duration of all requests being performed on a web page. Your history is displayed in two graphs for both result score time trend and TBT time trend. Each graph provides an aggregated look into your web page's performance and trends over a given time period. Page speed reports can also be shared with key stakeholders in whatever medium fits your needs. The sharing options are near the top of the report. The Share Check Analysis button provides you with a public URL that you can copy and send. Once shared, your public link is accessible for 3 months, after which you will need to create a new link to share. Download PDF provides a formatted PDF document with all of your metrics, audits, and graphs. Once you've downloaded your PDF, you can email, print, and copy as needed. No matter your use case, keeping data on your website's performance can be an invaluable resource. With Uptime.com's Page Speed Report, all of your website's performance metrics are in your hands with a click of a button. For a deeper dive into the Uptime.com Page Speed Check, check out our support documentation linked in the description below or email support@uptime.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.